Assalamu alaikum. Hello, boys. How are you? Welcome to you in science class.
ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا عبد العزيز محمد الحارثي.
وعليكم السلام.
الحازم القرشي.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
أستاذ بيش كم؟ السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا عبد الملك سامي.
Hello, Abdul Malik Tamer.
49.
Yes, page 49, please.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم عبد الرحمن السماري.
Hello, Somali.
السلام عليكم أستاذنا تركي بندر.
Hello, Turki Bandar. Okay, so page 49.
عبد الغني.
Hello, Abdul Ghani.
السلام عليكم. معك حسام إبراهيم الزهراني.
وعليكم السلام. ما شاء الله اليوم حسام موجود.
السلام عليكم يا أستاذ حذيفة.
Hello, Zaifa. Faisal is there. Okay. Abdulaziz Muhammad Al-Harsi.
السلام عليكم. معك فيصل خالد.
عليكم السلام. عبد الرحمن الناصري موجود؟
ماشي كم؟
49. سعود ناصر موجود؟ سعود ناصر. Okay. Ali is there. Asil is not there. Aus. Assam Naif موجود؟ سعيد سيف، صفوان، سعود ناصر، تركي عبد الله. أي أحد موجود؟ Okay, open your page 49. On page 49, we have a question. Okay, let's see. We have question about true false.
أستاذ معك فصل عبد العزيز المالكي.
Hello, Asil, bring your book, page 49. Okay. Question number 1, we have, when a material spreads out in water, we say it has dissolved. يعني لو انت حط اي شيء في المويه وهو هل spread يعني هل, we call it محلول. Yes, we call it dissolved. It's true. Number 2, only some materials will dissolve in water. Yes, many materials does not dissolve in water, like sand. Sand dissolves in water? No, it is false. Why? Because sand yani رمل ما في حل في المويه.
أنا إبراهيم القرشي.
Hello, Al-Qurashi. Abdulaziz Muhammad Al-Harfi. Okay. Okay. So there are 3 true false. When a material spreads out in water, we say it has dissolved. Yes, this is true. Only some materials will dissolve in water. Yes, true. Sand dissolves in water? No, sand does not dissolve in water. Moving towards next page, which is page 49. After that, we have 50. Page 50. The topic is natural or not natural. Not natural yani man-made, insan savet. Huh? If the human made something that is not natural or man made. Natural means tabai huwa sawit min Allah. Understand that some materials occur naturally and others are man made or not natural. We use materials that are found in nature, but also some materials are man made by people. Okay, some materials have been used for making things for thousands of years. Match the materials with how it is used. One has been done for you. Clay is used to make pots, right? Gold is used to make jewelry, right? Wood is used to make table, right? And reeds are used to make roofs of the houses, of the rooms. Okay, understand? Sahel, sir, it was easy.
Yes. Very easy. Very
Yes,
easy.
very easy. Yes, I know.
Very easy. 24. Easy.
Okay, Usam. Okay.
Easy busy. السلام عليكم سعيد ناصر مطر.
Walaikum salam, Saud. Abdurrahman Hatim al-Nasri मौजूद. Abdurrahman Muhammad Yusuf, Abdul Aziz al-Maliki, Aus Azam.
موجود.
من موجود. Abdurrahman Nasri. Okay, thank you. Abdul Aziz al-Maliki is now there. Then we have Abdurrahman Muhammad Yusuf, Said Saif, and Turki Abdullah. Okay, Said Saif is there now. Okay, if you are new, let me tell you about page 49. On page 49, we have 3 questions. Number 1 is true. Sorry. Number 2 is true, and number 3 false. Said Saif, Abdul Aziz al-Maliki, وأي أحد هو ما في
نعم
حل
يا أستاذ.
هو ما في حل. افتح page 49 صفحة 49 وهل افتح page 49 open page 49 سيد سيف لا تفتح مايك page 49 وهل 3 true false. Okay, on page 49 بعدين this is page 50. Okay, next page, which is page 51. Circle 3 natural materials. Natural यानी हुआ min Allah मौजूद यानी अव्वल. Circle the natural materials and underline 3 man-made materials. Wood is natural. Okay. Then we have clay. Okay, so here we find wood and stone. Okay, and sand.
صفحة كم؟
انت ما يشوف صفحة هنا يا عبد الغني؟ شوف ما في صفحة مكتوب. Page 51. And underline, and you will underline glass, which is made by human, plastic, which is made by human, and steel, which is made by human, yani man made. Man made yani huwa mafi natural, that is made by human. Which natural material is often used for making pots and bowls? Pots and bowls. Clay is used, clay yani turab. Clay is often used to make pots and bowls. Which man-made material is used to build bridges, dams, and roads? That is concrete. Concrete. Okay. Sura, be quick.
خلصت. Finish.
Okay.
No finish.
Okay.
Finish. No finish.
ما في كلام finish خلاص انتظر. ما في كلام finish. Don't say finish. Wait for others. Don't say finish. Wait for your other friends. Thank you. When you finish, open page number 52.
Finish.
Astaghfirullah. I said don't say finish.
Finish.
Okay. من باقي.
خلاص خلصنا. يلا نروح على
Okay, moving towards next page, which is page number 52. Okay, this is a review what we have learned about changing materials. Name 3 ways that you can change the shape of the material. So there are 3 ways you can write. Number 1, by bending. Number 2, squash. Number 3, twist or stretch. Okay, so 3 ways we wrote. So you can also twist. So there are 4 ways, you can write 4. Okay, done. Bend, squash, stretch, and twist. So there are 4 ways we know. Heating material, this is the topic. How could you change the shape of a hard material or glass? By heating it. You can heat and change the shape of a glass or metals. How could you make clay or bread dough hard? Hard metal will become soft, and soft metal like clay will become hard by heating. By heating it. If you cook dough, it will become hard. Then I can name two things that change shape of by heating. Of course, we can say glass or okay. Now Abdurrahman Muhammad is there. Let me write his name. Okay, last on this page, cooling materials. Name two things in the kitchen that need to be kept cool to keep their shape. That could be ice, of course, number one, ice or butter, or you can write ice cream, anything. Okay, they need two, so we wrote two. Ice and butter. Ice yani talj, butter yani what we say,
زبدة.
butter zibda. Okay, I think that cheese also, some kind of cheese. Butter.
Finish. خلصت.
ما في كلام خلصت. انتظار. Wait for your brothers.
teacher.
If you finish, open next page.
Okay.
If you finish, just open page number 53.
يا أستاذ طيب لو قلنا لك فينش عشان تعرف إننا خلصنا. لو
ما في
قلنا
مشكلة.
لك نو فينش يعني ما
After
خلصنا.
2 minutes, I will close. After 2 minutes, I will close. I gave you
Okay.
just time to finish. Okay, don't worry.
Page what?
Page 52 we have done. Now we are going towards page 53 after a while.
يلا يا أستاذ ننتقل للصف الثاني.
Wait, Abdurrahman Somali, wait.
أستاذ بس بقي آيس وبتر.
Yes, okay. من باقي
خلاص كلنا خلصنا.
Okay, moving towards next page, which is page number 53, last page of the book. I know that cooling some things can make them hard. Of course, if you put water in your refrigerator, it will become hard like ice. Okay, so you can tick this statement. Next, we have question dissolving materials in the water. This is the topic. Name three things that dissolve in water. ثلاثة أشياء هو هل في الموية. What are these three things? إيش هل في الموية? Yes. إيش هل في الموية? Salt. Very good. Salt. Okay.
Sugar.
Sugar. Very good. Sugar. Okay. Number three. إيش? Okay, you can say coffee. Coffee or powder paint, or there are many things.
Coffee or stuff.
Ink or
Water.
so there are three things we wrote: salt, sugar, coffee. Next, we have name three things that do not dissolve in water. They don't dissolve. Yes. Mafi hal yani. Sand, we read this in the page.
fish fish fish
Fish?
بالبحر.
Why you say fish? Fish في البحر. But the same is something like sand, or you can say stone. Okay, stone ما في حل. You can say wood. خشب ما في حل. Piece of paper. Okay, you have metals, clay, glass, a lot. I know that all the things, not all the things can dissolve in water, of course. There are sand, stone, wood, clay, glass, many things that does not dissolve in water, that do not dissolve in water. Circle, natural or not natural? Not natural, yani man-made. Circle the correct answer. Concrete is man-made, and wood yani khashab is natural. We get the wood from the trees, right? Min shajar. I understand that when people change a material into different materials, it becomes man-made. Yes, like they change sand into glass.
الو استاذ تبعنا
Yes, Abdulaziz, what did you say? If you have finished, you can leave. Okay.
نطلع من الزوم.
Yes, you can leave. No problem.
Finish. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye teacher. الله يعطيك العافية. Goodbye. Goodbye teacher. الله يعطيك العافية. Bye.
Goodbye. Thank you. Allah Yafiq.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Stop.
كلام صح يا ولد.
أستاذ خلصت.
Okay. Goodbye. If you have finished, you can leave.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. في غايبين اسمه عزام غايب وتركي عبد الله غايب. اوكي.
Goodbye. الله يكشر.
أستاذ عزام موجود
اوكي عزام is
بس راح
there.
الحمام الله يكرمك.
Okay, Azam is there. Now Turki Abdullah only.
Goodbye.
Goodbye Abdurrahman al-Somali.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Okay boys, I will send you video. Don't worry. Goodbye. See you next time.